Hi guys, welcome to my channel, Tech Talkies. In this video, we will talk about Windows laptop. So before starting, hit that subscribe button. Let's begin.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, Tech Talkies. If you've been a fan of tech for a while, you know that Windows laptops have had their ups and downs over the years. But today, we're diving into why 2024 is the year Windows laptops finally got really good. From blazing fast performance to killer designs, we're going to cover it all. So stick around, because if you're in the market for a new laptop, you'll want to hear, let's face it, for the longest time, Windows laptops were considered the less attractive option compared to their Apple counterparts. We've all heard the complaints: poor build quality, lackluster displays, buggy software, and let's not even start on battery life. But fast forward to 2024, and things have changed big time. So what happened? How did Windows laptops go from being the underdogs to serious contenders that can go toe-to-toe with and, in some cases, surpass the MacBook? Well, it's a combination of several key factors. Let's break it down. First up, let's talk hardware. The most obvious area where Windows laptops have seen massive improvements is in their design and build quality. Manufacturers like Dell, HP, Lenovo, and even Microsoft with their Surface line have really stepped up their game. Sleek laptop designs, showcasing aluminum bodies, thin bezels, and premium finishes. Thin, light, and durable. That's the new standard. We're seeing more laptops with CNC-machined aluminum bodies, ultra-thin bezels, and designs that genuinely rival the MacBook. Gone are the days of cheap plastic builds that feel like they'll fall apart in your backpack. These machines are built to last. But it's not just about looks. Under the hood, Windows laptops are now packing some serious power. Thanks to the latest Intel and AMD processors, along with advancements in GPU tech from NVIDIA, you can now get desktop-class performance in a portable form factor. Whether you're into gaming, video editing, or heavy multitasking, there's a Windows laptop out there that can handle it with ease. And don't even get me started on battery life. With better power management and more efficient components, many Windows laptops now offer all-day battery life. That's something we couldn't say a few years ago. Now, hardware is one thing, but software is where the real magic happens. Windows 11 has been a game changer. When it first launched, it had its share of bugs, but Microsoft has been hard at work, refining the experience. Windows 11 is faster, more secure, and a lot more user-friendly. Features like snap layouts and the new Start menu make multitasking a breeze, and the overall experience feels a lot more polished. Plus, the Microsoft Store is finally getting better with more quality apps and better support for developers. And let's not forget about security. With features like Windows Hello for facial recognition and BitLocker for encryption, your data is safer than ever. Another reason why Windows laptops have finally hit their stride is the sheer variety and customization options available. Unlike Apple, which gives you a handful of models to choose from, Windows laptops come in all shapes and sizes. Whether you want a 2-in-1, a gaming beast, a budget-friendly option, or a business ultrabook, there's something out there for you. And the best part? You can configure your laptop to suit your exact needs. Want more RAM, a better display, or extra storage? No problem. You're not locked into a specific set of options, which is a huge plus for power users. This level of customization means you're getting a machine that's truly tailored to your workflow, and that's something that's hard to beat. Lastly, we have to talk about price. Windows laptops have always been known for offering more bang for your buck, and that's still true today. But now, you're not just getting more, you're getting better for less. Whether you're spending $500 or $2,000, the value proposition has never been better. You can find high-quality laptops at every price point, and that's something that's really democratized access to powerful computing. So there you have it. 2024 is the year Windows laptops finally got good. With better hardware, refined software, endless customization, and unbeatable value, there's never been a better time to go Windows. If you're considering making the switch or upgrading your current setup, now's the time to do it. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more tech content, and ring the bell so you don't miss out on any future updates. And let me know in the comments below, what's your favorite Windows laptop this year? I'd love to hear your thoughts. See you in the next one.